Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on optimizing your browsing experience. If you're using Microsoft Edge but want to explore Google Chrome, here's the scoop. First things first, open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, you'll find the three dots. Click on those and go to Apps and then install this site as an app. This essentially turns Edge into a standalone app. Cool, right? Now, let's explore Google Chrome. Head to the Chrome website and hit download. Follow the prompts to install it on your machine. Once it's ready to roll, open Chrome and let the browsing begin. But wait, there's more. Let's take it a step further. Want quick access to YouTube and Amazon like their desktop apps? In Chrome, go to youtube.com and amazon.com. Click on the three dots in the top right, go to More Tools, and then Create Shortcut. Check Open as Window, and you've got yourself what feels like a dedicated app for each. Now, you can click on those shortcuts, and they'll open in their own windows without the typical browser clutter. It's like having your favorite sites at your fingertips. And there you have it, a streamlined browsing experience with Google Chrome and easy access to YouTube and Amazon as app-like extensions on your desktop. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and happy browsing!
I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake it.